Hello dear traders, my name is Alina, I'm a financial advisor at AMarkets. Today I would like to share trading ideas for the current week. Last week we have seen the strongest rise of the British pound against the major currencies after reaching the long-term minimums. The United States dollar showed mixed dynamic, reacting on the weak fundamental data of the manufacturing and labor market. Last week, outsiders have become the Australian and New Zealand dollar, which have been falling since oil prices rebounded from the $75 level. The forex market was highly volatile last week, while traders were expecting Fed's monetary policy statement on the 1st of May and non-farm data on the United States on the 3rd of May. In addition, we received data on the growth of the gross domestic index in the Eurozone, growth in consumer price in Germany, as well as data on the weakness of the labor market in New Zealand. Also, Fed USA left the rate of 2.5%, which negatively affected the dollar against some of the measures, especially against the British pound. The labor market data in the United States was published on Friday. The growth of new jobs created during the previous month's beat forecasts. 263,000 against 185,000. Unemployment rate fell to 3.6% against 3.8% forecast. However, the average earnings and ISM non-manufacturing PMI were worse than expected. On this week, we suggest to pay attention on the commodity currencies, especially on the AUD, Canadian and Japanese yen against American dollar. The main news why AUD, Canadian and New Zealand fell at today's opening were Donald Trump's statement about taxes rising for China soon. That's why we expected new market fluctuations on this week and falling of the AUD, Canadian and New Zealand against the American dollar. It's important to know that the bearish dynamic of the oil prices will continue to put pressure on commodity currencies. The key news of this week will be published in Australia, New Zealand and the United States. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank in Australia will publish interest rate decision and rate statement. Same data comes on Wednesday from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand at 2 a.m. GMT. On Friday, we expect consumer price index publications in the United States at 12:30 p.m. GMT. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave the like on this video.